Port Broughton is an attractive and accessible holiday destination on the Yorke Peninsula. Its location at the north-west edge of the peninsula ensures that it's a little drier and more arid than the more southerly parts. The waters in the area are shallow, which results in extensive areas of seagrass, mangroves and tidal flats, which helps for excellent fishing and crabbing. Historically, it was an important port for export of wheat and barley in the 19th century. Port Broughton beachfront is very clean and all facilities are well maintained. Local fishermen use the jetty to fish for tommy ruff, snook, whiting and garfish. I like in particular the long jetty, T jetty, and the splash park there, which is great fun for the children.